everybody. Hi friends, how are you all doing? So these days we are getting a lot of queries regarding what one should do during elections. Shall we redeem our portfolio? Shall we buy more? Shall we sell, exit, and just do nothing, sit on top of it? So again, before just to there is no arbitrary answer to it, but and most of the people they are just taking decisions based upon certain articles and certain news which keep coming up. So rather than doing that, let's do a trend analysis. What happened during past elections? Is there any specific trend? And based upon that, let's take a call. I came across very interesting data from White Oak Mutual Fund. So let me just share that data with all of you accordingly. So that's a very clear-cut understanding if you look at it right from 80, 89, 90, 80, 1984, 1989. Again, pre-elections, there was prior to 12 months, there were very, very minimal returns, but post that it gave a very, very huge return. Again, 91 was a very different year where the liberalization and all those things happened, so we can skip that. But even after post, I would say, 91, we had 96, 98, 99, 2004, 2009, 14. Again, if you look at the trend, there is no clear-cut indication that okay, elections ke pehle as it falls in post election it rises. In 99 before election it gave almost 15% return, but post election we see almost a 12% correction. Again 2004 before it election it went up drastically, but again after election the returns were almost 16%. So honestly there is no clear cut trend that okay, based upon elections there is any trend we should time the portfolio or we should take a call. So as I said, that it's always better that we should take a call based upon the data, based upon past inferences that what we should do. In my view, the best strategy is not to do anything because it is just an event. Maybe during this election, last 1 year, last 12 months, we have got 20% return. And this is, I'm talking about, Nifty 50 returns and maybe post elections if there is a clear majority come, there could be, furthermore returns could come out. But however, again, there could be a lot of global events, uncertainties, etc. So there is no. So the idea which I'm trying to conclude is that election doesn't give you a very specific pattern. That okay, that before election you should sell and post elections you should buy. There's no specific pattern. So the best strategy is not to do anything. Just hold on to your portfolio, whatever your SIPs are running, let them continue, let them run eventually.